Ooh, September 6, 2023. Our neighbors over there finally getting their roof fixed from from Hurricane Ian last September 28th. Today's September 6th, almost a year later. So still recovering from Ian, and we just had Idalia last week. But today I'm eating some of my moringa tree. Look how big my moringa tree is. Had a pod, 2 pods fall off already. Already got the seeds off of them. Got all these nice fresh leaves on here. Been watering it pretty good. It's growing out of the pod into the ground, so I'm just going to let it go. A lot of branches on it. But yeah, I'm going to cook some of this up and eat it. Alright, there it is cooking. I got some big branches, some really small tender branches. Just kind of sauteing it up like you would spinach or something. A little bit of salt on there, a little bit of water. I think it needs a little bit of yellow broth there. Ooh, yeah, look how yellow, like, yeah, kind of like spinach. Spinach would do the same thing, I guess. We'll try it here. I'll tell you what, it's not bad. I would say it's between like spinach and kale. It's like exactly like spinach and kale would be if they had a love child.